issued in accordance with Article 152, 154, and 156 of the Constitution, setting the stage for the appointment of the Cabinet Secretaries, the Honorable Attorney General, and the Secretary of the Cabinet, which Your Excellency effected via the special issue of the Gazette published as notices number 13033, 13034, and 13035 of this year. Your Excellency, with respect to the appointments, it is my pleasure to confirm that all applicable constitutional and statutory requirements for appointment of Cabinet Secretaries, the Attorney General, and the Secretary of the Cabinet have been discharged. Therefore, this state ceremony is convened in full compliance with the law. The swearing in is in fulfillment of the constitutional requirement under Article 152 of the Constitution, as read together with Article 74, Article 74 of the Constitution respectively require that a Cabinet Secretary assumes office by swearing or affirming faithfulness to the people and the Republic of Kenya and the obedience to this Constitution before the President and in accordance with the third schedule, and that before assuming as a state office, acting in a state office, or performing any function in a state office, a person shall take and subscribe to the oath or affirmation of office. Your Excellency, sir, we now proceed to administer the oaths and or solemn affirmation of due execution of state office. Sir, we begin with Your Excellency's appointee in the position of office of the Prime Cabinet Secretary. Your Excellency, sir, with your kind indulgence and permission, I now invite Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, EGH, to take his place at the podium for the oath or affirmation of office.
I, Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi, having been appointed Prime Cabinet Secretary of Kenya, do solemnly affirm that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya and that I will obey, respect, and uphold this Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic. And I will well and truly serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Prime Cabinet Secretary, that I undertake to hold my office as Prime Cabinet Secretary with honor and dignity, that I will be a true and faithful counselor to the President for the good management of the public affairs of the Republic of Kenya, that I